Today we're going to test various amp loads on our 1968 Camaro R&D car using this Klein Tool CL390 digital clamp. Simply pass the main alternator lead through the center of the clamp, which creates a magnetic field. Look, the claw. And then whatever current is moving through that main alternator wire will register on this display. Let's give it a shot. This is baseline. Includes all the stuff that can't be switched off, like computers, fuel pump, gauges. Also, the electric engine cooling fan has not yet kicked in. This is baseline plus the stereo, no cooling fan. It just cut off. This is AC on, but the AC blower fan is set low. This is everything on, including the AC set to max, the headlights, the cooling fan is off. And it just kicked back on. The cooling fan is now on. And that's it. If your car is already together and you're curious how many amps all of your various systems use, either together or one at a time, get one of these called digital clamp. Make sure it does DC voltage. Make sure it's set to DC voltage. Plus, I thought this was just a really nice experiment to see that all of this stuff, a Holley HP ECM, CompuShift transmission controller, 5th gen Camaro electric fuel pump, electric gauges, and then stereo. The stereo didn't use a lot of amps, even though it's got an amplifier connected to it. The only things that really used a lot of amps on this car are the electric engine cooling fan and the Vintage Air AC. Even the Vintage Air AC, unless you had the blower fan set to the maximum, man, it didn't use that much current at all. I think it was some like 3 or 4 amps at the lowest blower speed and somewhere around 8 to 10 amps when it was cranked. So I hope you found this helpful. Of course, we sell accessory drive systems that include alternators, and we've just got people asking us all the time about what size alternator they should get with their system, and we thought we'd make a little video to show how this car with 170 amp alternator at speed, which is 100 amps at idle, has more than enough capacity to handle our 62 amp combination. As always, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, give us a call. Check out c1pulleys.com. Have a good one.